Greetings, everyone. Today, we find ourselves in the enchanting nation of Turkey, embarking on a journey to discover its rich tapestry of historical wonders. Our odyssey commences in the ancient realm of Pergamum, a city steeped in history that beckons to life the annals of time. Pergamum, often hailed as the City of Wonders, once stood as a formidable Greek and Roman metropolis. Its Acropolis, adorned with a grand theater, served as a thriving epicenter for culture and entertainment. Yet, what truly astounds the senses is the awe-inspiring panoramic vista from this vantage point. Envision attending a theatrical performance with this magnificent backdrop. Next on our itinerary, we venture to Asklepion, an ancient sanctuary dedicated to the Greek god of medicine. Our voyage through time transports us to Ephesus, one of the world's most impeccably preserved ancient cities. Its Library of Celsus stands as an architectural masterpiece, alongside the exploration of the Temple of Artemis and leisurely strolls along marble streets, each step returning us to the era of the Romans. The Ephesus Archaeological Museum, a time capsule of history, offers a treasury of historical artifacts and statues, preserving the legacy of Ephesus and its surroundings. Our expedition unfolds in Gallipoli, a land steeped in valor and sacrifice during the tumultuous days of World War I. At the ANZAC Cemtery, we pay homage to the valiant ANZAC, Australian and New Zealand Army Corps, soldiers who valiantly fought here. The immaculately kept graves and heartfelt tributes elicit deep emotions. Our next destination is Canakkale, a charming city that serves as a gateway to this historic region. The Dardanelles Strait, situated near Canakkale, is a strategic waterway connecting the Aegean Sea to the Sea of Marmara, playing a pivotal role in maritime trade and military history. Troy, a city shrouded in legend and mythology, is our next stop. We delve into its ancient ruins and encounter the iconic wooden horse, an emblem of this timeless tale. Lastly, Izmir, often lauded as the Pearl of the Aegean, in Turkey, awaits us. This vibrant city on the western coast, the nation's third largest, stands as a focal point for culture, commerce, and tourism. Izmir seamlessly fuses ancient heritage with modern living, casting an irresistible allure for travelers seeking captivating experiences.